Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. I'll be picking few cards, guys, from different decks. So first, for your daily reading, we are picking one card from this deck, guys, and I'll be picking few more cards from the other decks. For your love reading, we'll be picking 3 cards, and for your general guidance from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So these are for your general reading, Capricorn. For your love reading, sorry guys, these are for your love reading, and one card from the Oracle guidance deck. So we will keep these cards aside and we will start with the general energy card. So it is Prince of Suns in reverse, guys. Capricorn, so in your situation today, there is somebody who is trying to control you in some ways, guys, trying to give you the wrong direction in something, and they are trying to dominate you, maybe in some decisions. This may be a person, maybe your friend or a family member, someone older than you, maybe your sibling or some elders in your family. They lack vision, and they have a particular strict way of dealing with things, and they are quite authoritarian. So they are trying to control you and dominate you in certain decisions, guys, and they lack that consideration for you. They do not have concern for you. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So you have to stay away from this person who is trying to control your decisions or control your actions in life. That may be something in your work or something in your personal life. So they are using their authority and power over you to push you into certain decisions that you are not happy to make for yourself. So that is what this card is about in your situation, guys. So someone trying to dominate you, that is what I see with this card. So what are the cards for your love reading? So this may be what you feel about this person or what they may feel about you in your situation, guys. So it is King of Wands, 7 of Wands in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here, guys. And 8 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, this may be what your person feels about you, or this may be what you feel about this person. You feel that this person is a person of great inspiration, confidence, and they have an irresistible charm about themselves. Maybe their character, or maybe their the way they are physically, some kind of attraction you have towards them. That deep attraction is there towards this person, and they are a very charming, charismatic person, and you are greatly attracted to that also, guys. So it may be a physical attraction, maybe for some of you, or it may be because of their character, guys. So you are generally attracted to them. That is what I see with these cards. And in your situation today, guys, there are certain circumstances where you feel certain kind of embarrassments. Maybe these embarrassments may be because of the way you feel about yourself. Maybe for some of you, you may have low confidence. That may be the reason for these embarrassments or some kind of anxiety. And this person and yourself, you have a great intimacy in this connection, guys, and you share that mutual attraction and love to each other, maybe, and they are always ready to come towards you to meet you, and they love your company. Maybe for some of you, this over attention on their part, that may be the reason for certain embarrassments. You may feel quite embarrassed because of the way they shower their attention on you, guys. So they just love you, and they are ready to meet you always, and you may be embarrassed by their love. That is what I see here. So something positive here, guys. It may not be something negative. That is what I see. I get here. And you are celebrating this relationship. You are going out to dinner, party, some kind of celebration you are having today because of the way you both feel in this connection. So this relationship has that great compatibility, attraction and love, guys, Capricorn. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. Let us see what is the card, the oracle guidance for you all. So this card may or may not relate to our personal situation, guys, but it is something that we can follow to make our day a better one, guys, Capricorn. So let us see what is the card. Milk and honey. Such a beautiful card here, guys, and this card also stands for a very positive sign here, guys. That is the reason we have this card here. So it just means that things are falling into place, and you will be enjoying that sweetness of prosperity and success today. So that is what this card is about. So all that experience, whatever you want to have in your life, maybe in this connection or in your personal life, you will be getting that. And this also stands for that passionate romantic relationship, guys, with this person. So whatever you in your heart of hearts, whatever you have longed for till now, all that you will be reaching in this connection, guys. And the same way in your professional life too. That is what this card is about. Miracles are coming, good fortune and opportunities are just aligning. All you need to do is just you have to be open to that that positivity that is coming towards you today, Capricorn, and welcome it to enjoy that sweetness of the situation today, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys, and your troubles are over, and the divine energy is pushing you towards that healing, success and happiness in life, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. That is a reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.